My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. I know you have not seen this angle before, but I am in the process of packing, so I'm going to be moving soon. So the area where I typically do my try-on hauls is full of boxes. So you are now upstairs in my bedroom. I'm just going to be doing a quick Fashion Nova slash SHEIN haul. I don't have that many items, but enough to do a haul. So I just wanted to come on here and do exactly that. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first item is from SHEIN. It is this jean dress. So ever since the Fashion Nova and Megan Thee Stallion collection came out, I have been wanting a denim jumpsuit. The denim jumpsuit from that collection is finally back in stock in my size, so I think I'm gonna get it. But in the meantime, I'm like, let me try a denim dress. So I saw this on SHEIN and thought it was super cute. So let's see how it looks. I got this in, I'm pretty sure a size large. Yes, size large. So let me put her on and I will be back. Okay, so here is the dress. I definitely felt like it needed a belt, and I do think a belt looks really good with it. I'll show you what it looks like without the belt. I think the belt just really makes it more flattering and just kind of ties it all together. So it fits. It's a little on the tight side, but I mean, I guess that's the way it is supposed to be. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be long sleeves and I'm just really tall and have long arms, or if it's supposed to be this length. It's probably supposed to be long sleeves, but so it has these little zippers. They do zip, but they are not real pockets. Same here, here. And let me show you the back. Okay, so here is the jean skirt. I think it's super cute. Okay. All right, the next item's also from SHEIN, and it's this faux leather bodysuit. So it's sheer at the bottom, but then at the top it has this faux leather, and it does have a zipper. So I'm just trying to decide what I am going to try it on with. I have no idea. I have a lot of my clothes are packed, so I'm just like, possibly. No. Oh, and the straps are adjustable on this, which is nice. Oddly enough, I think the first skirt looked the best with it, even though I was not expecting it. I don't know. I'll just try it on with something and I'll be back. Okay, so I tried it all on with all three of the options I showed you. The leopard skirt, the khaki pants, and this. And I don't know why, but for some reason, I just like this the best. I don't know why I'm worried so much about putting an outfit together. This isn't Project Runway. This is a try-on haul. So let me talk about the bodysuit. So I like that it has adjustable straps. However, they were a little difficult to adjust. Also, the zipper was a little difficult to zip up, but other than that, it fits perfectly. I think I forgot to mention this is a size large, and it has the traditional snap at the crotch area, and yeah, I just really like this. It can be worn with so many different things. All right, I got a few jewelry items from SHEIN as well. So first I got these like chandelier earrings. Let's try them on. Ooh. These are gorgeous. And I think they were only like $1.50 or something. I'll put the price up, but oh yeah. All right, then I also got, okay, so it is a layered necklace. I'm usually not the biggest fan of layering necklaces. I do like, however, I like it when it's connected and it's layered. So this is gold, and then it has a little rhinestone, round rhinestones. Okay, so here's what it looks like. I obviously wouldn't wear these with these earrings, but it is very pretty for the price that I paid. And then I got another necklace. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, let me try this on. So it has a little circle, so you can have it kind of hanging down like a pendant, and it's a little heart with some rhinestones in it. It's really pretty too. Okay, so that is what I got from SHEIN. Next, Fashion Nova. Okay, so this is the Rooting for You floral jumpsuit from Fashion Nova in a size large. I am in love. Oh my gosh, definitely my favorite item I've tried on so far. Oh, this is gorgeous. Not only is it so comfortable, but it's just gorgeous. I love how wide these sleeves are. I love the length. It is perfect for me. Maybe a tiny bit short for me, but I am 5'10", so it does have this little belt here, and I mean, what more can I say about it? It's gorgeous, it's flattering, and it's comfortable. There are no pockets. I keep thinking there are and like trying to reach for them, but no. Oh, it even has the like satin stripe down the side. In love. All right, next I have, you guessed it, a bodysuit. This is the Plain Wicked Games satin bodysuit in fuchsia, and I did get this in a size large. Okay, so it did look cute with that like tulle skirt, but I thought it looked really pretty with this like tight kind of pencil skirt. Kind of gave it a whole like sexy professional vibe. I really, really love this bodysuit. It's not as deep of a plunge as I was expecting. It has a little collar here. The sleeves do button. However, I was only able to get one button done each side. Like, I think I have a business idea. It's going to be called Hire a Boyfriend, for when you need someone to zip or unzip your dress, or button your shirt, or put on a necklace, or lift some heavy shit, because that's the only time I miss having a man in my life. Not the only time, but so yes, I really, really love this bodysuit. And of course you could, you know, wear this with jeans, dress it down. I love it. Okay, so next is this little cropped off the shoulder sweatshirt that I've been wanting to get for a while. This is a baddie because that's what I am. It comes in, they also have it in, I think, a light pink and a light blue, but I love me black, so super comfortable, super cool, trendy. Yeah, loving it. You can wear it around the house or you could wear it out. Really loving this. So the last thing I got is this Let's Talk About Us maxi skirt. So I thought it was just really cool looking. I'm not sure how it's going to fit, but it's kind of hard to see off. I'm just gonna have to try it on. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so here it is. I mean, the only thing that I could think of to pair with it would be a crop top, because any other sort of top would cover up these strings here. So it's actually super cute. I don't know if I have enough confidence to actually wear this out anywhere, but I really like it. And it's a really good length for a skirt as well. And it also has a slit up the back. Not too high, but yeah. Alright guys, so that is it for my SHEIN in Fashion Nova haul. Let me know which piece was your favorite down in the comments below. And I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.